products of prime factors. Are we on 33?
Yeah.
Cool. Products of prime factors. Woo! So, we are going to express 80 as a product of prime factors. What does that mean? Prime means it's not divisible by anything but 1 in itself, evenly, right? So what are some prime numbers? Like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13,
17.
19, 23. Right, there's no even numbers. 27 is 29.
29, yeah.
31.
30. No.
37.
No, sure.
Yeah, 37.
Okay, so these are all prime numbers, right? So the idea is that we want to write 80 as a bunch of prime numbers multiplied by each other, right? Here's how I would recommend you do so. You can begin by making the prime factor tree, much like the device that you would hang or put up in your room or home when we approach the December 25th to celebrate the birth of Jesus. Even though there were no pine trees anywhere near where Jesus was.
It's easier to do that than palm trees or something.
That's
Could you
true.
imagine palm trees hanging out in the leaves?
Oh yeah, you're like, all right, cool, it's time. Anyways,
Decorate the palm tree for Christmas.
so that would be fun. So, what two numbers multiply to make 80? Let's try and get one of the ones from this list. How about 2 times 40, right? And then we can make the tree again. How would you make 40? 2 times 20. How would you make 20? 2 times 10. How would you make 10? 2 times 5. So if I wanted to write 80 as a product, which means multiply, of prime factors, it would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Or 2 to the 4th times 5. Okay? So what you're going to do on these problems is you're going to make your factor tree, then multiply all the prime numbers together to make your number. Okay? So let's try another one. You guys are a very observant class today. I appreciate that. 147. What goes into 147? So the trick is if all of the numbers add up to a multiple of 3, then it's divisible by 3. If all the numbers add up to a multiple of 9, then it's divisible by 9. So 1 plus 4 plus 7, is that number divisible by 3?
Yeah.
Yeah, 12 is divisible by 3. So 3 should go into this evenly. 3 goes into 14 4 times. 3 times 4 is 12, right? 3 goes into 27 how many times? 9. Okay, can I break it down? 49. Yep. Which of these numbers go into 49?
7.
7.
And 7.
So this would be 3 times 7 squared. Cool. Moving on, much like a cow would move on. I thought that was funny too. Now we're going to move on to more word problems. So twice a number is 42 less than negative 102. How would I write that? Twice would be
Square root. Wait. So if
you have 5 apples and I have twice as many, I have 10. What'd you do? You multiply by 2. So this is 2 times. How would I write a number?
N. A number.
How would I write is? Equals. How would I write 42 less?
42 minus. Oh wait. No.
Negative 42.
Negative 42.
Okay. So I have to ask what is it less than, because it goes after whatever it's less than. Okay. What is it less than? Negative 102. Okay, can I solve this?
Yes.
Sure, we're gonna do the reverse order of operations, so we'll do addition and subtraction first. So let's combine these. Negative 102 minus 42, they have the same sign, so we add or subtract?
Add.
Add. So 102 plus 42 is 144, and then we keep the minus sign. So the same sign, you add, keep the minus sign. You okay with that? You sure? You're like, so I cannot, okay, I cannot read the face. Okay, now, after subtraction and addition, I'm gonna do multiplication and division. So, would I multiply or divide by 2?
Divide.
Divide by 2. So n equals negative 72. Okay, that's it. And that is lesson 33.